Dear students, welcome back. I'm Salma here. Chapter 2 Family, Session 15 Types of Family. Family being the smallest social group which consists of father, mother, and one or more children. It is a system of relationship between the parents and children. It can be classified on the basis of birth, descent, authority, structure, residence, marriage, and blood relation. Family can be divided into various types based on some features. Based on the birth, based on marriage, on the basis of residence, descent, on the nature of relationship, based on authority, based on a size or structure. This description, we will look into some of the classification of the types of family. On the basis of birth, family can be divided into two types, family of orientation and family of procreation. The family in which an individual is born is called as a family of orientation, that is by birth. Family of procreation, where an individual set up after his or her marriage, is a family of procreation. The family of orientation and procreation may be live together under the same roof but can still be distinguished. Based on the marriage system, family can be divided into monogamous family and polygynous family, polyandrous family. Family consisting of one husband and wife, including a children, is called as monogamous family. Polygynous family consists of one husband and more than one wife, and all the children born to all the wives or adopted live together. This type of family has its basis in the polygynous form of marriage. Another important type of family based on marriage is polyandrous family. It is a family which is consisting of one wife and more than one husband, and the children either born or adopted with each one of them. This family is a result of polyandrous marriages. On the basis of residence, family can be divided into matrilocal residence, patrilocal residence, or changing residence. When a couple stay in their wife's house, the family is called as the family of matrilocal residence. When a family stays in the house of a husband, family is known as patrilocal residence. When a family stays in the husband's house for some time and moves to the wife's house, stays there for a long period of time, and again moves back to the husband's parents and start living together in another place, is a family which is called it as changing residence. Based on ancestry or descent, family can be divided into matrilineal family and a patrilineal family. When the ancestry or the descent is traced through the female line or from the mother's side, it is called it as matrilineal family. A family in which the authority is based on the male line and the descent is traced through the male line, it is the father's side, called it as patrilineal family. Based on authority, family is divided into matriarchal family and a patriarchal family. Matriarchal families are generally found in the matrilineal societies. In this family, woman is the head of a family. Authority is vested in her hand. The succession of property is through the female line, and only daughters inherit the family property. In this type of matriarchal family, after the marriage, husband resides in the wife's house and the descent is traced through the mother's side, because this is a matrilineal family. Children are brought up in the mother's house. Matriarchal society, matrilocal system exists. Matriarchal families are found in the matrilineal societies, which are very limited in number all over the world. In India, it can be the example of Ghasi and Gharo family. These type of families can also be found in parts of Latin America, Ceylon, Africa, and we have an example of in India also. And another type of family based on authority is patriarchal family, in which the head of the family is a male. Entire authority is vested in him. Descent and property is passed through the male line, and children are brought up in a father's house. Such families are patrilocal in nature. Patriarchal families are commonly found in all parts of the world. Most societies of the world are patrilineal and patriarchal families. And another classification of family based on the nature of relation is conjugal family and consanguine family. A conjugal family is made up of adults among whom there is a sexual relationship. It refers to a family system of a spouse and their dependent children. It consists of the spouse and their offspring and relatives through marriage. Consanguine family is made up of members among whom a blood relation exists, and those who are consanguineal kin family consisting of parents, children, siblings, brothers, sisters, and brothers and sisters. Based on the size or the structure of family, nuclear family and a joint family. A nuclear family is a small group consisting of husband, wife, with or without children. It consists of two generations. In all the modern societies, nuclear family is the most common type of family. It is also called as a modern family. A joint family consists of three or more generations who live together under the same roof, sharing the common kitchen, pursue the economic expenses, and it is a family consisting of three nuclear families living together. According to Iravati Karve, a joint family is a group of people who generally live under the same roof, who eat food cooked under one hearth, who hold a property in common, who participate in a common family worship, and are related to each other in some particular type of kindred. These are some of the list of reference books for your further readings. Thank you.